This was the Christmas lights. Big basketball roll of Christmas lights, and they all worked. Kayla found them and some cookie cutters and various other stuff. Here goes my little Aquanaut. She's going out into the way. So you'll be able to see her. Got her camouflage coat on, a little headlight with the hood up on her. Cool. Glad she's got on waterproof boots because she's standing in a puddle. You see her. She's gonna find something at every dumpster she goes to. I tell y'all, we really got lucky tonight. So far, we got a carload right now. We should have brought the truck. We started off our first stop at Staples. Lord have mercy, we got one of those mats that you put under a desk chair. She found 2 or 3 backpacks and a couple of those zipper type lunch boxes. We found 3 crates, 2 laptops, a shredder, all kind of new notebooks, and she found some pens and stuff too. It was just loaded, but it was kind of raining, and she kind of got excited about the whole thing, so we left. But I think we're going to go back there now. We came over to Winterville. There's a couple here we can look at. Most of the places now have gone to trash compactors. She's not very happy. She didn't get a score this time. Yep, here comes our princess.
Princess.
When you were standing in a puddle, I was telling them
Princess,
that you
please.
had on waterproof boots.
Princess.
I told them about our Staples hit.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I told them we were going back to. There's only 2 dumpsters back. Sorry, only 2 dumpsters back here we really hit. Here you are.
This is where that great big TV was.
Yeah, there was about a 60-inch Sony in this dumpster. I wouldn't call it a flat screen. It was one of those, I guess, mid-screen. It was about 8 inches thick, I guess. But just like tonight, it had already been rained on and everything else. Screen wasn't busted. Started to get it. We opted to leave it. There's a reason somebody throws a TV that big in a dumpster. You just don't do it if it works good. Here she is again. Strikeout.
Sometimes you do. Sometimes you don't.
Sometimes you feel like a nut.
Sometimes you feel like a nut.
So I guess our only other stop here in Winterville is usually Harbor Freight, but they don't really put out a whole lot. I guess it's a hit or miss thing.
No, we've got this one down here. This coffee place. We found a beautiful mug.
Oh yeah, she found a mug one time at this coffee place up here in their dumpster. It holds a spoon in the handle.
It's really cool. I took it home and washed it.
Yeah, she did.
And I've already used it.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Were you worried?
No. Oh, here we are at the coffee shop dumpster. Grab her, my lady. We go to some dumpsters and she's like, I don't ever want to come here again. week later, she forgets. Let's go back here. You don't like those dumpsters, remember? Oh, yeah. They're just locked most of the time. I say, yeah, well, I got two choices, bolt cutters or a ladder. And we're not going to do the first one anyway. So, she locked herself out. Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Well, this will be our longest video yet.
Yeah.
We're new at it.
Yeah, we are.
We learned a lot from some really cool people, though.
Yeah. Should we give them credit?
Yeah.
Steve and Steph in California, and Chris and Holly at Knox Island. Knox, one of the two. She's got a few others I don't know by name that she watches that are to blame for this dumpster diving monster they have created. Here she comes, another strikeout. Nothing, baby.
Some wet bags.
Wet bags.
Do you guys go diving in the rain? I know in California it doesn't rain very often,
Yeah.
but it rains here.
Did Chris and Holly dumpster dive in the rain?
Oh yeah.
See
And the
that?
snow too.
Well, I've seen them do it.
These are big dumpsters.
Yeah, that one's just too tall to even screw with. This one, pasteboard box. And that's Fred's Food. We're not gonna. I told Kayla I don't feel comfortable doing food places or restaurants. That's there for them. What's that other store over there by the fresh market?
Store by the fresh market.
Yeah, it's got clothing and stuff like that in it. I can't think. It's right there by Dick's.
Kohl's.
Kohl's, yeah.
How can I forget that?
Yeah, they got a compactor too.
But the ones with compactors have a trash can. They have a dumpster. We just really haven't been to them enough to locate them. We haven't. I think Dick's just had a compactor.
Yeah.
But I think Kohl's had a dumpster and a compactor. Love Kohl's.
Hobby Lobby and Academy just had a